Now take a look at this phantom wallet. Yep, all of that came from launching meme coins on repeat, not by trading them. It's not by guessing, it's not by trading, it's just by using a strategy that works consistently. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I made over $7 million. Now if you guys do not know already, over 95% of people in this space are actually trading meme coins and the other 5% are all devs. Now there is a reason why I switched from trading to deving, because every single time I bought inside a brand new meme coin which I thought it was promising, well, I ended up completely being exit liquidity, and that's exactly why I stopped trading and I started deving, because now I am the one who is pumping and then dumping, like we say, and that's exactly when I figured out the real play. The real money in this space is not made by trading, but it's made by creating your own projects. Because when you launch a token, you control everything from the timing, the supply, and the entire narrative of the coin. You cannot lose anything at all from your pockets because creating coins costs literally $0. Okay, I will show you guys exactly how to make it for $0 into this video, but if you keep trading, bro, you will keep losing, and that's why you have to switch to deving. So keep watching, bro. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make your first meme coin and potentially like turn $0 into like 1.5k a day or some shit like that, and just rinse and repeat. So keep watching. Now this video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice, so always make your own decisions. Now most beginner devs, okay, will go to Pump.Fun to launch their first meme coin. Now let me tell you something that is the truth. Pump.Fun is not where you want to be launching your own coins, because Pump.Fun is so oversaturated that most new coins die before anyone even sees them. Okay, when you launch a meme coin, bro, you do not get any traction, you do not control your own liquidity, and you cannot even get attention because your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to be graduated onto the Radium Dex, which takes too much luck and too much effort. So that's why I switched to create coins.io, because create coins.io is the new launchpad that everyone uses to make profits. Now your token on this website will launch directly onto the Radium Dex, which means it will be immediately migrated and becomes tradable immediately to a bunch of new people, to everyone who is trenching at the current moment. That's why I love launching on create coins.io, because you get more exposure, more buyers, and a much cleaner launch. And on top of that, bro, you actually control your own liquidity, so you can cash out whenever you want, unlike Pump.Fun. Now anyways, create coins.io gives you two simple options to make your first meme coin. The first way is obviously to build from scratch a whole new coin on the blockchain. So first of all, you need to choose a good narrative for the coin. Now go on X, go on Google, right, and type in news and look for articles or look for funny trends, funny tweets, just anything, right? Just look for something decent. Now a really good example is Elon Musk tweets. His tweets usually do really well for meme coins, but yeah, let me see if we could find something. Nah, there's nothing for now. Once you have a good narrative, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is custom created on chain. But the second way to make a meme coin, bro, is actually my go-to method, is the most profitable, and it's the fastest by far for profits, right? And that's the copy trending coins all fucking day. Now all of these coins already have traffic and attention on Pump.Fun, and your job, okay, is to copy them, and you get instant buyers and higher profits from the start because the hype is already built in, bro. In my opinion, bro, I would highly recommend for everyone to copy coins, because bro, you're copying coins that are already going viral and that are already getting a shit ton of buyers, so you can ride profits along them. Okay, let's stop explaining and let's actually develop meme coin right now. You will see how quick the whole setup really is, and you will see how much we make by the end of this launch. Okay, so first of all, make sure your phantom wallet is connected to the website, obviously. Then click on the refresh to have all the brand new fresh coins, and let's copy a coin. I'm not going to lie, bro, the Peckle coin caught my attention. Why? Well, it looks cute and it has it as by 5 seconds ago, but in general, bro, just copy one. It's all up to you. Click on create coin, Then obviously ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal. You will get this every single time on any website. Then click on proceed anyways, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created, well, copied on chain. I will even show proof. Boom. And if I go and so scan for proof, you guys can see that it is now live 9 seconds ago on the Solana blockchain. Everything is legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this page is pretty straightforward. We add liquidity so your meme coin becomes immediately tradable on Radium the moment it becomes live for the public, right? Now for the token A, just make sure you tap right here in the middle, 90%, that is gonna drop 900 M's, so 900 million tokens into the pool. You are keeping 10% of the supply to yourself, and you will be making money off of the creator fees and the supply. Right under for the amount token B, think of it as the very first buy on your own chart. You are not spending money permanently. The SO is just powering the liquidity pool. 0.3 SO is the minimum, and you get all of it back when you pull out the liquidity later, so we have nothing to worry about, bro. I'm gonna put 0.35 SO, just a bit more than the minimum just to be safe. Click on create pool to create the liquidity pool. Obviously, bro, you will get it back later once again. Ignore the block, proceed anyways, confirm, I understand, confirm. And then after that, click on the refresh button down below. Scroll down and boom, the Peco coin is live. You have your pool ID right here, you have the coins right here, and your profits are right here. Now if you click on the refresh button to check your profits officially, you guys can see that we just got a couple buys worth $140 in our meme coin right off the bat. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our meme coin. And now as you guys can see, bro, we're already live. We're already getting a shit ton of buyers, a bit of sellers. Okay, a $40 buy right here. That is not bad. We're at a 1.5k market cap. I still believe this coin can go higher because, guys, you have to trust the process, and you have to remember that this coin costed us $0 to create. So more and more people are going to start seeing the coin and buying in. So yeah, it's just exponential, bro. More and more people are going to start seeing it on Axiom, on Nova, okay, and they're going to buy in, okay? Come on, pump. 1.5k market cap, things are looking good. Oh, $40 buy. Oh, someone just sold for $80. That hurts a bit. Come on, pump, pump, pump. Do not be emotional, okay? Just wait. Just let the coin pump, bro, okay? Come on, pump. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back to cash out profits. Okay, so be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and we're at a 5.8k market cap. And as you guys can see, bro, we are in a uptrend, so it is doing higher highs, higher lows. So yeah, and we have 2.2k in liquidity, and it's still getting transactions every single second. Now before it goes down, let's make some money. Come back to createcoins.io, and obviously, bro, make sure you click on the refresh button to check your profits. And now as you guys can see, we're up $1.54 thousand with a 4.8k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the cob, the money, and then ignore the block, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dive meme coins and make some bread. Now if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that I just received $1.5 thousand in fucking money. Okay, even though the market is down, we still ended up on top, bro. You guys gotta tap in with this method, bro. It's actually insane. Now before we head out and go launch your meme coin, bro, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, subscribe, and join my Discord group and my Telegram group down below to enter the giveaway and for more details.